Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to upsell and cross-sell in Odoo 19 point of sale. So let's dive into the point of sale, and from here, I would like to consider the product conference share, and let's search for the item over here. And once you have been here under the point of sale, you can find the upsell and cross-sell. So we have added the point of sale optional products. And we have the option to add multiple items over here, and this is a new feature in Odoo 19. Now let's move on to the dashboard, and from here we can just continue the selling. So once it's done, you can see that we're just going to consider the product conference share. Let me add that. And in the UI, there is a slide change. You can see the price of the product along with the VAT and its percentage. And here you can see that conference share has got variants, that is conference share with the steel legs as well as with aluminum legs. So in this case, as we just select the steel legs, here you can find the number of quantities that is available. As you just switch to aluminum, you can also see the quantity that is available. Okay, now let me add the item to the cart. So as you just add the item to the cart, you will be getting a wizard to add the optional items. This would allow you to upsell or cross-sell in point of sale. So you can choose the item from here and click on add in order to just add the item into the cart. Now we can just choose the customer. So my customer is Edison. And let's go to the payment. And in this case, if you want to make the payment through cash, you can also just choose that. But we have to choose the payment method over here, and let's click on validate to make the payment. So we have just made a payment, and that's how we just deal with the cross-selling and upselling in Odoo 19 point of sale. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.